ICTQual is offering Level 5 Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, 240 credits, 2 years, a qualification designed to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to excel in the ever-evolving field of mechanical engineering. This diploma is ideal for aspiring engineers, mid-level professionals, and those looking to build or expand their expertise in mechanical systems and technologies. This course offers hands-on learning opportunities and industry-relevant projects, enabling you to master practical skills and innovative techniques. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 24 mandatory units which will be completed in 2 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 240 credits by the end of the program. Learning outcomes for Year 1, 120 credits, learning outcomes for Year 2, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring mechanical engineers, early to mid-level professionals, career changers, students advancing in education, innovators and entrepreneurs. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 5 years of verified experience in mechanical engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.